Okay, I've got your bench put together, and it's a collapsible one, or a fold up for easy storage. You can just put it right against the wall, you see? It's held up by these pins. Just one pin on the bottom. So you pull this, pulled it out, and the bench folds down. And it folds all the way down so you can do incline sit-ups. You put your feet in this strap. Velcro, it's got Velcro so you can enclose your feet tightly, and then just do your sit-ups. Then when you're done with that, you're going to lower this stand, which is held in by another pin. Pull that, raise it up. See? And then you put the pin right back in the hole. If I can get it in. Just fiddle it with it until you find it. And make sure it goes all the way through. See? All the way through. And then you can set it down. And you've got a regular bench press. And then these are adjustable as well. I've got them on the lowest setting right now. This lower hook is in case you're bench pressing and the weight is too heavy. You can rest it here instead of having to go all the way to the top. But you should never be benching that much weight without a spotter. And when you're ready to raise it, just take out the lower pin, raise it up to whatever notch you want, and then put the pin all the way back through. Make sure it's all the way through. Very key, or that weight could come crashing down. Okay, man, any questions? Let me know.